Yeah, man. Hey, man. Say, man, it's your man, Action TV, reporting live from Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. Today, man, I'm going to give you guys a walkthrough of my two-bedroom condo Airbnb in Puerto Plata, right by the beach. Check it out. I said it once, I'll say it again, man. You can live like a king when you travel for a fraction of the cost of what it would cost you in the U.S. Peep it. Yeah, man. Coming live from Puerto Plata, another apartamento, Airbnb. Show you guys what time it is, what's going on, man. So you can live very good, very well when you travel, man. Just got here, checked into this Airbnb. The owner actually had his driver pick me up from the airport, first class service. You understand me? Very nice. Look at this kitchen. New appliances, refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? Keep that Presidente cold and on ice. All the stuff you need to cook. Got those 6 things to cook on that stove right there. You know what I'm saying? This apartment looks pretty new, man. Very new. Hardwood floors, nice furnishings and decorations. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I thought this was only a 1 bedroom, but turns out it's a 2 bedroom. 2 bedroom, very good price. Got the TVs, 3 TVs up in this thing. You understand me? One in the living room right there, one in that bedroom, another in this bedroom. Do AC to keep you cool at night. Nice, big, comfortable queen beds and such. Very spacious, little nice spot, man. And as you can see from that first scene I showed, it's very close to the beach, La Playa in Puerto Plata. So we'll be enjoying this very nice. I like this little patio too, man. You know what I'm saying? You can sit out here, soak in the vibes of the city. And if you look this way, that's the mountains. And then this way is the ocean. Bam! Look at that. So I will definitely be taking in some sights of the ocean. I've seen a lot of bars and restaurants around that thing when I first came in here, so I will be checking that stuff out and upload some footage. So yeah, man. Another nice Airbnb. If you wanted to get this thing in America, probably be like $1,000, $1,500 a week. Here in DR, it's a fraction of the price. Goddamn, I'm gonna enjoy it. Woo!